Sometimes mortgage applications are refused, even when the applicant is in a good job. In this video, we'll look at the 9 most common reasons why this happens and what you can do to fix them. In Ireland, under central bank rules, lenders can only let you borrow up to 4 times your gross annual income. So if you're earning €50,000 a year, the most you can borrow is €200,000. Sometimes lenders can grant an exemption and let you borrow a bit more, but these are rare. If your income doesn't stretch far enough, you might need to either increase your earnings or adjust your property budget. In Ireland, first-time buyers and movers are required to have a deposit of 10%. So for a €300,000 home, you'll need €30,000 upfront. Again, there are exceptions where lenders can let you put down less, but they're limited, so make sure you've got that deposit ready before applying. If you have a history of bad credit, you may struggle to get mortgage approval. This can happen if you didn't pay off previous loans or missed loan repayments in the past. When you apply for a mortgage, a lender will run a check to view your credit history on the Central Credit Register. If you have issues, work on improving your credit record. So pay off arrears, clear your credit card balance, clear your overdraft, and avoid taking on new debt before applying for a mortgage. Speaking of debt, if you already have big loans like a car loan or a personal loan, your borrowing power shrinks. Sometimes it even means an outright refusal. If possible, clear or reduce other debts before applying for a mortgage. Another reason you might be refused a mortgage is your age. Most lenders will want the mortgage fully paid off by the age of 65 or 70. So if you're a 45-year-old and are applying for a 30-year mortgage, it probably won't work. In that case, you might need to go for a shorter mortgage term or borrow less. Lenders love stability. If you're in a new job, on probation, or working on a temporary contract, your application could be rejected. Most banks will want to see that you've been at least 6 months in your current role, ideally in permanent full-time employment. If you've just changed jobs, it might be better to wait until you've passed probation before applying. Most lenders will look at your bank statements over the past 3 to 6 months. If they see erratic spending, no regular savings, or worse, gambling transactions, it could be a big red flag. To fix this, start saving consistently, close any betting accounts, and keep your spending tidy for at least 6 months before applying. In order to draw down a mortgage in Ireland, you need to have a mortgage protection and home insurance in place. If you can't get either of these policies in place, your lender may refuse to fully approve your mortgage, even if you've shown you can't afford to repay it. At bonkers.ie, we can help you get mortgage protection and home insurance. So chat to us if you're having trouble getting cover for either. Finally, even if you're financially ready, the property itself could be the problem. Lenders do their own evaluation to check if the price is fair and if the house meets their criteria. If they suspect structural issues or think you're overpaying, they might reduce the loan or reject it entirely. In this case, you can renegotiate with the seller, appeal the valuation, or look for another lender. If you've been refused for a mortgage, don't lose hope. Find out exactly why, fix the issue, whether it's saving more, clearing debt, or improving your credit history, and try again. Often it's just about timing and preparation. So those are 9 reasons why you might be refused a mortgage. And remember, at bonkers.ie, we provide a free mortgage broker service. So chat to us if you're thinking of buying your first home or switching your mortgage. Our team of in-house experts can advise you on everything mortgage related, including how to avoid having your application refused, and they'll help you with every stage of your mortgage journey from initial application to drawdown. To get mortgage approval, you'll also need mortgage protection and home insurance. And guess what? You can sort those two on bonkers.ie. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information. Bonkers.ie, we're on the money.